watch my curb.
You're good, you're good. Hella.
Alright, bro. Yo, I actually low-key have good lighting though. It's right here.
G37, bro.
Dang, that shit tough. Well, you can. Ooh, pick it right now. Should I?
Yeah.
Fuck it. I missed Infinity. If you didn't know, I sold my Infinity G35 for 9 bands, and I bought it for 6, so I kind of had to, you know. But let me try reverse park. Oh, try to do it with one hand. Well, it's full pass actually. Shit tough. Oh yeah, so I sold my Infinity for 9 bands, and I bought this Camaro for 7 bands. It's a 2014. Unfortunately, it is a V6, but it is what it is. I'm gonna flip my way up, so y'all gonna see me switch cars every now and then. I'm hoping to get a V8 or newer Camaro, but you know, I do miss my Infinity. Just to show you a little bit of the car. I haven't posted a video in a minute because bro doesn't be on camera, but the camera gets it that well. Just a Camaro. I've done a couple of things to it already, just off camera. I low-key should be doing it on video, just so y'all want to do something like the spoiler. I have a video. I might drop a video. I have the footage. I just might not drop it yet, but this is how it came out. I repainted the rims too. They were just all rust and gray, and obviously so I repainted those black. I'm planning on doing the calipers too, but I don't know what color, maybe blue or black. So we'll see. I did the tint myself as well, but it's fun. It's a fun car. It's heavier. It's true about the visibility though. I think this photo came out tough though. I'll drop the video soon if y'all want me to though. Cold start, but it sounds pretty good. I just have a muffler delete on it. Shit is still not closed, bro. Alright, we're good. So goofy, bro. From inside the car. Where am I going, dog? Where's the curve? I'll ran that shit. At first I didn't really like the dials, but yo, no G37, bro, they're just literally hurting me at this point. They know I want my shit back. Loki might just sell my Camaro and get a Infinity just because they're V6, but they're more respectable. Because you get a Camaro and they ask you V6 and V8 and it hurts telling you it's a V6. But I just like the Infinity. It's just lighter. I'm not used to a big car like this, but it has its pros though. Everybody knows what a Camaro is. All your uncles and shit, they all fuck with it. Like I said, the dials are hard to get used to, but as in like, it has like this frame that I don't really fuck with at first, but I guess now it doesn't really bother me. And I had the RPMs on the left side and the speedometer on the right side, so it's kind of mind fucking there by itself. But no, I sold the Infinity pretty good. I had a double did on it, and the headlights on it, that within itself already made the value better. Which kind of, I still can't believe I managed to sell it for $9,000, $9,400, and it was 2005, but it had 99,000 miles. I sold it right before it hit 100K, just so it's more of a eye-catching, because people, I really got a DM from on Facebook Marketplace when I put it up saying like I literally smoked weed, too much weed, because fucking there wasn't gonna buy that shit, and then someone buys it the next day for 9 bands. So jokes on that. But I bought the Camaro for 7 bands and profited the 3K. I'm trying not to use the 3K at all, just so I end up winning, because if I spend it on this and don't sell it like I want to, it's just losing money at that point. Damn, this fool. Maybe the CRV boys, bro. Like my cousin be fucking merging and shit, cutting up into the CRV is crazy, and brake checking. Oh my god, bro. No, but it sounds tough. What the fuck is that Honda, bro? Look at blood. There's always cops here too. It's louder than the G. The G is more like a deeper, and you low-key do fuck with the deeper. I mean, it all depends on what you like, but I like the deeper. It's a little louder. I only have a muffler delete. I might get a resonator delete later on, but we'll see. Where's blood going? There we go. There. Fuck it. It still hauls gas too, because it's fucking heavy. It's a DMV where I lost 3 times. I couldn't pass that shit 3 times because of stingy ass fucking instructors. Oh my god, look, the traffic is crazy. How are we not moving, bro? I'm gonna buy a police radar, bro. I can't be out here doing too much.